Our farm-to-table events are tons of fun. They're a great opportunity for students from all over the country to get together with each other, but also with our local chef hosts. We have a great welcome dinner. We have experiences at urban farms. We go out of town to other farms, larger farms. We go to breweries, we'll go to wineries. We learn about the local agriculture scene. We eat at local restaurants. It's a great experience. Having attended a lot of these farm-to-table events firsthand, I get to see when students get to see something for the first time. A lot of our students may not have the experience to go to a farm, but our events offer that opportunity. So seeing someone on the grounds of a farm for the first time, seeing food being pulled out of the ground, where it comes from, is such a special experience. Make sure to check out our upcoming events located all over the country to hang out with current and former students and our chef instructors, and stay tuned for future events.